Okay, so here we are with my laptop. As you can see, I tried to fix it. I don't think this is covered under the warranty, so we got to figure this out here. What do we got over here? We have a spot where the disk drive actually used to go, and some stuff plugged in there, USB ports, and this here is hold on a second. Yeah, that's no longer needed. We're trying to make this a newer model, less I don't know, less weight, more compact. So we're going to turn this laptop into a notebook. See, as you noticed, it's like a book now, like a notebook. Yeah, it's kind of interesting how this is put together. So hang on a second. Alright, now that I got that part fixed, let's see, I'm going to carefully unplug this here because that looks important.